Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. What if you wanted a big fat tire e-bike, but you wanted the convenience of having 3 wheels? Well, I got you covered right here. This is the LLAMA electric tricycle. This isn't a normal tricycle though. This has those big fat meaty tires. In addition to that, 480-pound max weight capacity, which is awesome if you're hauling cargo, which a lot of people do with these. And it also has about an 80-mile range and 750-watt motor. That's huge, guys. If you want to know more about this, stay tuned. All right, so let's get right into it, guys. I am blessed to have the opportunity to test electric bikes, electric tricycles, wheelchairs, scooters, all of that on this channel. And I really love it, and I love diving deep into these so that you guys have a better understanding of what you're getting when you're going to purchase a unit, something like this right here. This one right here by LLAMA is an exceptional one, and it's definitely not the least expensive one. And you can tell just by the components. And let's just start right from the beginning. When I got this, it came in a huge box with on a pallet. I mean, it was awesome. You literally lift the top of the box and it's assembled. I did have to slide in the front wheel, but that's just so it would fit in the box. That's about 95% built. Normally with electric tricycles, you have 2 wheels, you've got a system in here you have to assemble. It can be a headache. And it's hard to find these locally, pretty much anywhere in the country now. Brick and mortar stores are on their way out. So a lot of stuff's being purchased online, which means it's going to arrive in a box. So that's really important. I want you to know that this is the easiest build I've ever had, whether it was a bike, a scooter, or a wheelchair. The Trike, which is usually the most difficult, was actually the easiest. So the build, A+. Now, if you guys search LLAMA e-bikes, you're probably going to find the Trikes that they have that are trucks, where they have these big beds that lift up or have hydraulic dump trucks, things like that. They're very well known in that market, especially in farms. We have a lot of farmland here. So there's people around here that actually use those quite often. But they are really kind of getting into more of a convenient city style transportation with their Trikes. And this one right here is kind of that, but it's not, meaning it has those big fat meaty tires like I mentioned in the intro. These are 4-inch wide tires. Those are huge fat tires, which means that you could ride this on the beach really good, or on gravel really good, or on rough grass or farmland really good. You don't have to just be on a boardwalk or on the road or on a sidewalk or on a trail or anything like that. You could take this off-road. So there's no limitations to this. A couple things I wanted to mention. It does come standard with the fenders. It does come standard with the racks. Now you can see this is a blue color. This isn't the only color they offer. They offer all kinds of colors. I'll link this down in the description of the video so you can see all of the colors that they offer, because they do have quite a few options for you. You don't have to get the blue if you don't like it. You can get yellow, pink, whatever. They have tons of options for you. This is the Trike CT10 model. They do have a few other a little bit smaller models. So if you are looking for what you're seeing here, it is the Trike CT10 by LLAMA e-bikes. Couple things I want to mention. If you look at the handlebars here, they do have your power button, your up and down, your headlights, and your walk mode right on your dash. You also have turn signals, which is a huge thing. Normally, e-bikes and Trikes don't have turn signals, which is great. It also has your standard horn. There's a couple sets of keys on the that come standard right there on your handlebars. You normally wouldn't keep them there. All that does is remove your battery, because your battery is removable. The nice thing about having a removable battery is in the winter, especially in cold climates like here in Ohio, you can bring your batteries in and prolong the life of your e-bike. So that's really good that it is a removable battery, because it would be kind of hard to bring the whole electric tricycle into your house. So removing the battery is really all you need to do during the winter. If you move over to the right-hand side, you will notice the acceleration is a thumb throttle. It also has a 6-speed Shimano shifter. Now on your handlebars, you do have your brakes, your front and your back brakes, but it also has these locking. So you could literally lock your bike front or back, because the problem with a lot of Trikes, it's hard to explain, but the problem with a lot of Trikes is you stop and it just keeps going. There's no kickstand or anything like on an e-bike to kind of hold it into place. Some of the less expensive Trikes don't have this. These do. There's a little lock. Now it's not going anywhere. It's completely locked, and you can do the front, back, or both on this, which is really, really nice. Another thing I want to mention is the comfort of this. So normally on a trike, the type of person that rides an electric tricycle probably isn't going to be standing up and riding. They're going to be sitting and they're going to be cruising. This has an incredibly comfortable seat. So I did want to mention that. Suspension does have a front fork suspension. It's a lockable suspension as well. So if you do want to get a little bit crazy and go off-road, you can do that on this thing and be really comfortable. The display is pretty impressive as well. One of the better displays I've ever seen on an electric tricycle. Guys, this isn't inexpensive. There's a lot of them out there around the $1,000 range. This thing retails about $3,299. I'll just tell you right off the bat, I don't see them ever running a sale to go less than that, but if they do, I'll try my best to get you a code. Maybe I can get you a discount. So check out the description section of the video, click the link and look for that little discount code I put down there, because I might be able to save you a few $100, maybe even more. I'm really gonna work on getting a negotiation for that, because if I do these videos for these brands and don't charge them, I wanna make sure that you guys at least get a great deal. Let's go back here to the back rack, because this is a big, big back rack. This thing can hold a lot. And I mentioned earlier, 480 pounds total weight. So you got yourself and whatever cargo you have. It's 200 plus pounds of cargo for most people that you could put back here. Huge front back basket. And then you also have the front basket. These are standard, not an upgrade. It's included in this, which I absolutely love. So I want to give you my final thoughts on this thing. Now, I had a rider out there testing this bike for me. I wanted to get somebody else's opinion on this thing, because I could just be out there riding as an experienced rider and no problems at all. But I wanted to see what it was like as far as stability for somebody that's never been on an electric tricycle. And I got really positive feedback, and I showed you some of the footage of her out there riding this tricycle. She loved it, and I think most people will, because it is so stable. And that's why you want an electric tricycle. A lot of people that get electric tricycles think if you add 2 wheels in the back, it's gonna be stable and it's better than a regular bicycle. But what you find when you turn on those is you tip. These are very wide with big wide tires, so you have a lot more stability. I mean, I'm not gonna fall. You could be going 25, 30 miles an hour and make a turn and not fall on this thing, where you would on a normal tricycle at around 10 to 12 miles per hour. When you turn around doing circles, the back wheel will tend to lift up. This has a kind of a unique system where each tire works independently. So if one does kind of lift up, the other one picks up for you, which is really convenient, especially if you are going off-road, or maybe you kind of start to fall over a little bit, like in some gravel on the side of the road. This is really, really safe. LLAMA did a fantastic job on this. So my final thoughts are, I give this a huge thumbs up. I don't know about the color for me, but they have, like I mentioned, all different kinds of colors on here. They have, and not just electric tricycles, they have those electric trucks as well. Guys, you got to check out this company. I'm super impressed with them, and I thank them for sending this to me. This is my honest opinion about this bike right here. And if you guys want to know more about this, again, I will link this down in the description section. And any questions you have, I'm keeping this thing. I'm going to test this thing really, really good over the next couple weeks. So I'll be doing a follow-up video as well. For those that do get something like this, I can offer a little bit of support for you as well, because like I said, I'm going to be using this. I can see so many uses for this, especially with this big back basket back here. And this is solid. It doesn't rattle like on a lot of electric tricycles with the racks and things like that. They rattle. Just something I noticed when I test them out. If you guys, again, have any questions, reach out to me. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Thanks for joining us. Bye.